Hello guys, and welcome back to a new ADV adventure. Today I'm in Toronto at the motorcycle show, which is supposed to be the big one. It's Friday, the first day of the show, and I just entered. Basically, I'm looking at the ADV section. Alright, let's look at the Honda stand and the new 225 Africa Twin. 23,000. Wow, nice bike. And regular Africa Twin. 17 and 18,000, 17,000, 18,000. Very nice bike. Let's see if we can find the Transalp, and here it is. Alright, looks like the Transalp gets a lot of attention, so I'm gonna try to do this Africa Twin regular one. So itinerary is really high. 17,499. Nice bike. I don't know why they put the Transalp right in the corner. Come on, man. That's my bike. Although it's still the 2024 model. Let's look at the price. It's 12,599, 13,500, 12. Very nice bike. I have it, you guys know. I like it. And 300 Rally, 7,099, 8,700 selling price. It's still the 2024 model. Comes with nice tires. I'm not sure if it's only for the showroom or not. Anyway, let's take and the 300L. Just 1,000 difference for a bigger tank and a screen. It's not bad. Although I went on it a little bit squishy on the back. It's just like bouncy, as regular Honda does. All right. Yamaha 10R700, still 2024 model. Come with Pirelli tires. Oh, this looks like it's ridden by somebody. Doesn't look new. Maybe they didn't have it new and they borrow it. So I don't know the price. But it's in this year showroom. We also have the riders here with a lot of gear. Very nice. And we have Aprilia Touareg. I'm gonna try to get on it. I'm guessing tomorrow is gonna be a little bit busier. So we have GP bikes and BMW. Let's see if we find the adventure bikes for the BMW. All right, so this is the adventure ones.
Yeah, you can do it without
34,028. 300 GSA. Wow. Okay. And GS 25,000. Wow. Looks nice. And this is the 900 GS. 900 GS. Okay, so this is more in the price range. 16. It's not bad. Though it looks like small if you compare. Ah. All right, and this is the one that I'm looking for, but so this to be 900. This is a 800 GS, 14,000.
Oh yeah, it's at the front.
What's with the screen? Okay. Seems like the seat pretty low. All right, nice bikes, but the start-stop feature, I don't know, throws me off. Anyway, let's continue. There's like some kids running around with some electric bikes. And we have GP bikes here. All right, so GP bikes also came with their own bikes that you can find in the store. Lots of helmets. Their Ducati and everything they have in the store. All right. Looks like KTM has a stand too. Not very busy though. And this is Husqvarna 901 Adventure 2025 model. 20,000. And this is another one, Northern 91. Oh, that's the Expedition. That's the regular 901. Of the Harley Davidson. Lots of Harleys. I'm not into Harleys, so I'm just gonna pass through. And we get to Royal Enfield, and I'm gonna see if they have the Himalayan 400 here. Looks like they do. All right, so the new Himalayan 450. This is with tubeless wheels. It's a nice bike. Looks good. They have models with tubes too. Like this model here. So the gray one comes with tubes. Not a colored outtake. And they have this white one right here on the top. This one was tubeless. I have no idea how much they cost. Get to the CF Moto stand. Let's see if they have the 450, the Ibex. It's available in the United States. But I don't think it's available in Canada because Canada only gets for now the 800 for some reason. Oh no, they have the 450. Oh, they have the 450. Nice. Let's see if it has a price. Everybody's raving about this bike. From what I read.
Well, I wouldn't say I didn't like physically.
Let's see if they have a price. So CF Moto Ibex 800 2024 Explorer in Canada. The way you see it equipped is 18,000. So crash bars, skid plate, big screen. Tank is so tall, so they made this chair short. Wow. Okay. All right, Aprilia section, and the bike that I was supposed to take instead of my Transalp. That looks very nice. I really like this bike the way it looks. Too bad that they don't have enough dealers. Anyway, that looks a very nice bike. Look at this. This is nice. And the price 14,895. And freight and PDI. Liquid here. Let's jump on it. Now looking at this and comparing with mine, now that I had mine for like a year, this is a way taller bike. I don't really like the seating position. I stayed on it for a little while. Yeah, I know I didn't like from the beginning the brake reservoir exposed right there. It's a nice bike, but it's not that comfortable. The seat is very narrow. Anyway, I think I made a good decision with my Transalp.